think a little difficult for me when I am, yeah, I have a pity that doll. I don't know that it doll, but I'm having difficult to non everything that I find it hard to pronounce to fit to my me and pay be penny to me. That's all. Bye.